For more than 150 years, chocolate has been the most popular and appreciated flavor around the world. Every day, millions of people enjoy the delicious creations made from Theobroma cacao, the food of the gods. Determined to bring you the best available ingredients, Cargill acquired Gherkins Cacao in 1986. From that moment, the cocoa business changed. Today, Cargill is a leading producer of cocoa ingredients. The products are sold under the Gherkins brand. Most of the beans we process are sourced via our own complex structure of buying stations in origin countries. We supply liquor and butter to the chocolate industry and powder to numerous other food segments. Powder is used as a main coloring and flavoring ingredient to determine the character of the final product. In Holland, there are 2 plants that process beans into a cocoa mass, as well as a large pressing industry transforming the mass into butter and powder. Cargill also has a plant in Brazil and another very modern one in the Ivory Coast. We cooperate closely in many important fields such as production technology, laboratory analysis, best practices in logistics, and customer insight. Product quality, innovation, customer focus, food safety, ethics, and social responsibility form the cornerstones of our business. Come with me, and I'll show you a bit of this fascinating world of cocoa.